guys, welcome back to another review. It's Thursday. So today I have this Azure Beauty gel nail polish collection to share with you guys, and this is a soak off UV and LED gel. It does come in a size 7 ml, that is 0.24 ounces, and you do get 6 pieces in this kit. Now I did go ahead and remove the tape because it did come taped down, but I didn't take it out of the box, so we're going to do that together. And I immediately love the packaging. Matte black and gold, square polishes, awesome. So it comes with this booklet, and inside of it, it just has the product listing. So I'm just going to go ahead and flip through this really quickly, and you guys can pause the video at any time if you see something that interests you. So after going through the booklet, I just realized it's like a mini catalog and a user manual all in one. And it also came with this little slip, and it says product safety. First time I'm seeing this in a gel polish. So it has the product safety direction, allergy precautions, and it also has the contact information on there. So I am going to go ahead and take one out, any random one. And no joke, this is in there. Like, I'm not even playing. This is so hard to get out of there. So it definitely is moving through shipping, right? So as I said before, it is a 7 ml bottle, which means it's miniature sized, but so cute. So I am going to show you guys this next to my Madame Glam 10 ml. Now it's not fair because the Madame Glam polishes are not square, but at least you guys get an idea as to how miniature it actually is size wise, right? So obviously the shape of the bottle is going to matter, but I'm just giving you guys a general idea. So I am going to be swatching these on my pop sticks today, and I'm just going to run through the colors with you guys. I am not sure because there's no color on the bottom of it, no names on these gels, but they do have a number, and as I swatch it, I would have the number on the screen, and I would also link this gel collection in my description box below. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get all of these out. So apparently this fell out. It also came with a hey, apply the color gel here, and you can just apply it on these stickers and peel them off and apparently stick it on the bottle or on the caps. It's all up to you. I did not use it in this review to see how well it works, so I'm going to probably use it, and I'll include that in my final thoughts maybe at the end of the video. So I'm going to do the first coat of each color with you guys, and I will have the name, as I said, or the number in the corner of the screen. And this is a gorgeous dark red, and it matches perfectly with the Royalty Nail Supplies red carpet, which I'm wearing on my nails right now. And I'm not getting a strong smell from it. It smells like a regular gel polish, so I went ahead and I cured that for 30 seconds, and it dried. So now I'm going in with the second coat. Now, one thing I can say about these gels, they are pigmented so far with this one. It is very pigmented. However, they're a little bit thicker than what I'm used to working with. So I'm just going to probably get a feel of this particular color first before moving on and swatching the rest. So I'm seeing a little spot of the pop stick. So I'm just going to go over that just to make sure that I get full coverage. And I'm going to cure that again for another 30 seconds. So out of the light, it is dried, but it does have a tacky layer, not that sticky though, but you definitely need a gel top coat. So I'm going to go in with my no wipe gel top coat, and I'm using my IBD Intense Seal, and I am going to be coating over this. I'm going to pop it into the lights, and I'm going to swatch the rest of colors. And I'm really loving this red. Like, in case a client comes in and they want the Royalty Nail Supply red carpet on their nails, but they want matching tools, I can definitely match these two together. So now I'm going to swatch the other one. And this is a very thick white. Okay. We get nice coverage. And it really does just float onto that pop stick. I'm sorry, I don't know why my camera is brightening up on me, but as you guys can see, it's not streaky, it's not thin, it's really, really nice coverage. So going in, we have this gorgeous nude color. This one is a little bit thinner than the first two that I swatched, but yet and still, you get nice coverage with it. And I'm really loving this nude. I have a thing for nude, but I don't like nude nails on myself. So next we have this really pretty glittery purple. And I know with glitter gel polishes or even glitter polishes, that glitter is really hard to get up on that nail. This one is not too bad because it's not like a glitter. There's a light shimmer to it. And as you guys can see, it is applying a little bit streaky, but we'll see how it covers with our second coat. But I'm loving it though. I really am. It is a pretty color. So now we have this really pretty grayish color. Now this is a very unusual color for me. This is like a gray, but it has a hint of blue in it. It's really unusual, but it's so pretty. And I can see this on a Christmas sweater set. So lastly, in this set, you do get a black gel polish. And this one is actually not bad coverage either for a black. And this is just one coat. These little polishes are surprisingly doing big things. I'm shocked. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and do the second coat of all the colors, and I'll meet you guys right back with my final thoughts. So unfortunately, I did not get to show you guys the second coat of the black because my phone rang and I forgot to put it in airplane mode when I was recording. So I did go ahead and top coat all the nails, and here they are, stunning and gorgeous as ever. My final thoughts on the Azure Beauty Soak Off Gel Polish set is that I really love the application of these gels. However, it's more like a personal use because of the size. So I would suggest it being a stocking stuffer for the holiday season, or somebody who's now starting out being a nail enthusiast, somebody who just enjoys doing their own nails. However, as a nail tech, I will suggest probably investing in something a little bigger. They do have bigger size gel polishes on their site, and I would have the link to this set as well as their Amazon page in my description box below, so you guys can definitely go ahead and check that out. However, if you're purchasing this particular set that I featured in my review today, I will have a 10% off coupon code, so you guys can get an additional 10% off your purchase. So that is it for this review. If you enjoyed it, you know what to do. Go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. So I'll definitely keep these reviews coming for you guys. And if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, and while you're down there, make sure you turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss out the next time I upload a new video. As always, I would love for you guys to keep safe, and I'll see you soon.